Hello everyone, my name is Jimplas. I've decided to document my Forex trading journey. How I came to know about Forex trading, was way back in 2017 when CNA Global Business was interviewing a CEO and the founder of Global Forex Institute, Shandili Seiki from South Africa. He was explaining how he took the risk to start investing in Forex, and later on he turned up by opening his company. Then later on I decided to go browse Google and get more information about what is Forex trading. I browse it, I watch over 500 tutorials on YouTube. Then later on I started befriending people in Forex, like on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I did it like for 3 months. Then later on God helped me. I met someone I called Master, and he's from Singapore. He became my mentor. Up to now he's mentoring me. He asked me that you're joining an institution where only 5% of people succeed, and that is a Forex trading institution. And to become a professional, it will take like quite time. And it's a performance career. Being like a performance career, you have to put in more hard work. It's like other form of activity like any other performance career where like you have to put in more work. It's like sports, like athletic. So you have to put yourself in this game so much. Then he asked me my personality, because he told me that in Forex your personality really count a lot in your success and failures. Then the first task he gave me a book called Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, and he told me to read all the book, then ask the question which were inside. So I did that. Then later on, after answering the question, he introduced me to my first course I did with him, where that course was to introduce me about the Forex infrastructure, how the markets work, who are the big players, what move the market. After getting done with that course, he introduced me to the next course, which is like how the systematic approach of approaching what Forex trading. I got done with the 2 courses, but later on he introduced me to keep on trading in demo. So far what I learned about Forex trading, I found that Forex is a performance career, just like other performance career like music, sport, athletic, like being like Ronaldo. You have to put in more hard work before coming in the camera where like everyone will see you. So you have to do a lot of things in the dark. Like you have to do a lot of analysis, control a lot of information which is just circulating globally, because you have to know what is really moving the market. So this thing is a performance career. You have to put in more work. They have an old saying which says that the long enough you be in the barbers, sooner or later you will know a haircut. So that is just like a Forex trading. I also learned that this game is a lonely career, because you stay alone in the process of making decisions, executing your trades. You just staying alone. Mostly when you're a retail trader, you just be in your room, do this game, and make it more sometimes lonely career. And that's why most of Forex traders, you find them like playing in music to support their time. I also found that this is the game which you have to be focused, you have to control your emotions, and you do a lot of research. Then the bigger part is like you have to acquire analytical skills which help you for interpreting information, because however much you plug yourself into an information flow, but at the end of the day you have to analyze and interpret which information is useful to you. So you have to also that side, you have to be like a psychoanalyst. You read harder players' mind. Like we have a lot. We have technical traders, we have price pattern traders, we have information flow traders, we have global micros. So you have to sit and analyze where are their common stop, and what kind of the expectation they're bringing in to drive in the market. I also found that in this game you have to be someone who loves keeping your records. That's why this is the main reason why I started documenting my Forex trading journey, because it will help you to be honest about yourself, because you have to be honest to accept the results. You don't have to be put in blame game in this career, because what you do is what counts you. It will help you very much to control your emotional aspect. It improves on your psychology. Also found that trading is mainly mindset, psychology, risk management, and money management. This is what I call Forex trading. You have to combine all those basics to really find out what kind of the computational methods you have to use and put in to find out everything. This is something I really found is kind of challenging to control your emotion, but with time, because it's a long-term career, with time, the long enough, you always keep on doing, keep being consistent about what you're doing, you prove a point, and you will come to yourself where you will listen to more emotional part of your mind, and you gain something out of the market. So, what is my approach to Forex market? 80% of my analysis, I do fundamental analysis, because I have to analyze the endogenous and exogenous principle of each country. I'm going to trade their currency, and I can say 20% could be technical and price action, just to help me for the timing and analyzing this market before executing is based on my daily routine and regiment. So what you have to expect from this channel, I'll be putting in a market preview, can be on weekly or monthly basis according to my view, and I'll be showing out my trading status, like whether it was like a win month or a loss. I'll be showing that, and I'll be showing you how my emotional aspect so far taking me in this trading, because I'm not a professional trader yet, I'm just an average trader. So thank you very much for watching my video. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a like or leave a comment there. I'll respond to you. Thank you very much. I'm out.